What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Theta to Bitcoin. So shout out to Roger Strom for commenting his altcoin for review. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment telling me what coin we should review in tomorrow's video. Otherwise, let's get on with today's episode. So I am on the CoinMarketCap right now. I'm just going to refresh. A lot of news and a lot of cryptocurrency articles are being posted quite recently. We have a pretty down day, I want to say, for sure. Not many cryptos are up that I'm seeing. And we have a market cap at 278. So I believe only like 2 million left since yesterday. So pretty much at a consolidation point, if not slightly down. And we'll check out why. Litecoin down 3.75, Ethereum down 4.75, and Bitcoin down 2.69. But yeah, top 10 cryptos are down. We're having a down day. So I want to check out this article. It says 2 reasons why Litecoin is expected to move up again. And it says the first quarter and the better part of the second quarter of 2018 has been the worst for Litecoin. When its value started to drop at the beginning of 2018, investors thought it was just a usual retracement, especially due to the large leap that the cryptocurrency had made in 2017. So the bearish trend has ended up going too far. At times, the crypto coin has acted like it wants to resume a bullish trend, only to end up making major drops than before. This have forced investors to lose interest in the cryptocurrency and have opted to sell Litecoins at a loss. So it says Litecoin, however, could be heading for better days ahead, considering the factors that are currently at play. So we have one that says Litecoin has become oversold, and usually when cryptos are oversold, they end up going right back up, or they move up. The price of Litecoin has dropped sharply, and this is a lot of market overreaction and panic selling. Almost every investor holding Litecoin is considering going short. In financial markets, when an asset becomes oversold, the prices of the assets are expected to rebound in a short while. So that's pretty much what I'm expecting Litecoin to do. The oversold condition only lasts for a very short while before the market breaks and the bearish forces are overcome by bullish forces. It says, however, the rebound may not necessarily take the prices of the coin to its original level at 2017, but the prices will, of course, move up. Therefore, the holding of the coin in December, they might have to wait longer for the prices to recover that far. It says, ItBit is one of the few crypto exchanges that are regulated to trade cryptocurrencies in the U.S. by the New York State Department of Financial Services. Being a regulated exchange, it is expected to attract a lot of crypto investors. The recent ItBit decision and the fact that NYDS has allowed them to go ahead and expand their crypto traded assets to include Litecoin among some other crypto coins is expected to push the value of Litecoin higher due to increased traffic of investors. So that's 2 pretty good reasons, the fact that we're oversold and that they're adding a more regulated exchange to maybe stop that insider trading, those whales from selling off, and maybe making it a little more stricter on the coin so we don't see such manipulation when we add regulations to it. Just an overview, looking at Litecoin right now, you do see where we are facing much support. Pretty obvious right here, and you can see why we're bouncing right over here. So we are, again, in oversold conditions. I don't think we are on the 4-hour. No, the 4-hour we were, but currently are not. So we are seeing some consolidation there, but on the daily and the weekly is not looking too bad. But on the daily, for sure, we were and pretty much are oversold in oversold conditions. So we're really looking for a break or a move upwards. You can see the support level that it's holding us at. And, you know, for people who say that TA isn't accurate for short, you can see this huge spike in the currency. That pretty much tells you that there was not much support. Like if we were to ever to come down, it would be a very quick, sharp move, which is what we did because we didn't build much support. But you can see at levels where there is support, it was harder for it to break. And you can see again how we're holding support right here, where we have built current support in the past, and now it's harder to break again. So we are coming basically to an end of this pennant flag that I've drawn out, and you'll see what happens. It's nice to see a solid support level, and we are oversold and below that high-low MMA, so I am honestly expecting a retracement back up to that 110, and hopefully a break above that downtrend. Bitcoin doing a very similar act. This is Bitcoin to US dollars on Coinbase. You can see a clear-cut downtrend right here. You can see the resistance we're kind of facing right now and a strong consolidation point. We are, again, oversold, or we're oversold ever so slightly on Bitcoin too, on Coinbase. So we're definitely going to see some consolidation right now, which is probably the best thing for the market. And then hopefully we can see that retracement at least back up to that high-low MMA. Now, the interesting thing is we always go back up to the high-low MMA. Whether you want to agree or disagree, in my opinion and viewpoint, we always come back to that high-low MMA. It's just whether or not this will go down or go up. So Litecoin will most definitely reach a $143 level if we go back up and the high-low MMA stays where it is and stays strong. Ethereum, lastly, on the 3 blue chips we review on a daily basis, is still at a downtrend, and it is starting to consolidate ever so slightly. I'm not really seeing... Actually, I lied. There is a lot of support right here. And I wasn't sure where because I was trying to look back this far, but when I move all the way back, you can clearly see this shelf that it has made, this price floor that Ethereum is trading on right now. You can see we have a price ceiling and a price floor right here. And now if we zoom out, we have a price floor right here that was a ceiling at one point and is now acting as support for Litecoin. So again, for Ethereum. So again, I'm going to see hopefully some consolidation moving to the right. And then eventually, hopefully we see a break above this downtrend. Lastly, let's check out Theta. Just want to draw in some horizontal lines. You can see we have one here. We obviously have the bottom resistance here, resistance here, and then let's see if I can draw in a downtrend of the sort. So we did interesting. I'd like to say it's more or less something like this. Can we even connect this all the way up? That'd be very interesting. No, so it's more or less something like that. So you can clearly see this downtrend also. And it does seem like we're coming to an end on Theta, so that's quite interesting to see. You can see how we're having some interesting patterns right here within the price, and it is hard for it to... it hasn't really moved that much. We're having some cradles or some spinning tops right now. And you can really see the price get condensed right in this area right here because it's practically the end of this downtrend. So definitely expecting something to happen within Theta very soon. You can see how it's facing that clear-cut downtrend. So that is definitely a good coin to review, and we'll see whether or not it can break up or break down. If it breaks down, expect to come to this price floor. If we break up, some resistance right here, and then hopefully back up to this area of support. But that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. If you want any more content, I'm thinking about maybe introducing some kind of like vlogging about using cryptocurrency in real worlds, because a lot of people don't believe that transactions can happen and you can actually purchase physical goods with cryptocurrency. So I may go to like New York City and show you guys what it's like to actually purchase things with cryptocurrency, as well as maybe interview some people on the streets, just some random people, and ask them what they think and know and feel about the cryptocurrency market. If you have any suggestions, or I guess just let me know your feedback on those two possibilities for future content, leave it in the comment below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.